Love you guys. Yeah, this is my sleeping bag, but it was very cold tonight. It doesn't work, man. I have to buy minus 20 degree sleeping bag. ये sleeping bag काम नहीं करता है. So good morning. So this is the view. Early morning view of Saralpara. We call it as Switzerland of Bodoland. Here we are. Here are the boys. This is how I put my tent. It was awesome. Anyway, it was a good night. We had a good program last night. In fact, like we had this program to welcome Ma'am Soma Basu in our club. She hails from West Bengal. You guys can subscribe her. She's a lady rider.